Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Peacock on Sony TV step by step clearly. To activate Peacock on your Sony TV, begin by turning on your Sony TV and ensuring it's connected to the internet. Next, locate the home button on your remote control and press it. Navigate to the Google Play Store icon on your TV's home screen. Once in the Google Play Store, use the search function to type in Peacock. Select the Peacock, click on the Install button to download and install the app on your TV. After installation, return to the home screen and find the Peacock app among your installed applications. Launch the Peacock app by selecting it. On the welcome screen, you will see an option to sign in or get started. If you're a new user, choose Get Started to create an account. If you already have an account, select Sign In. You will now see an activation code displayed on your screen. Using a smartphone or computer, open a web browser and go to the Peacock activation website. Enter the activation code from your TV into the designated field on the website. After entering the code, click on Continue to verify your device. Once verification is complete, your TV will automatically refresh and log you into your Peacock account. You can now start browsing and enjoying the content available on Peacock. If you encounter any issues during activation, ensure your TV software is up to date. Reconnect to the internet if you experience connectivity problems. Now you are ready to enjoy your favorite shows and movies on Peacock. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.